Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Trinity Stamps, and today I'm going to be doing a product close-up of the mini Slimline Star Trio die. So this is going to cut a panel that will be 3 inches by 6 inches. I'm just showing you there on my mat, my grid mat for reference. So you're going to get a panel that has a stitched line and also an embossed line. And that's going to also cut out 3 stars, like star windows, and it's going to put a stitched and embossed line on the outside part of that star, and it's also going to put an embossed line on the inside stars that are cut out. So here you can see I've cut it from some of the pattern paper from our recent card kit. And I'm just going to show you really quickly a card using this die set. So I cut down some scraps of the pattern paper in different colours and different patterns and cut a star out from each of those, and I'm just going to add those into the little windows from the stripy panel that we've got there. And then I just cut a happy birthday sentiment, which is from one of our older dies, and stuck that over the top, and there we go. There's a really super easy, super quick card showing you some of the stuff that you can do with this new die set. And here is another example of a card that I made with this set. Can't wait to see what you do with it. I hope that you have a lovely, happy, safe, wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.